Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Welcome back to Hetsh Code. I am Hetsh Udnawala. Today I will explain the history of data science. You will get the benefit of history subject. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. In 1962, John Tukey envisioned a future where computers would transform data analysis. Statistics ruled for decades until the 1990 seconds, when the internet explosion created data floods nobody could handle with spreadsheets alone. The term data science emerged around 2001, but the revolution truly began in 2005. Google and Facebook needed to make sense of billions of user interactions. Hadoop brought distributed computing, letting ordinary companies process massive datasets. By 2010, smartphones and social media generated data tsunamis. Companies hired data scientists, hybrid statisticians who could code, visualize, and extract business insights. Python and R became their weapons of choice. Machine learning exploded after 2012 when neural networks conquered image recognition. Suddenly, data scientists weren't just analyzing the past, they were predicting the future. By 2020, every industry needed them, from healthcare to finance. Today, data science powers everything. Recommendation engines, fraud detection, climate models, and AI chatbots that write stories about data science itself. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Follow Hetsh Code for daily tech videos.